Mexico
I
right now.
remember claiming dipset. I had some bitches on my
Secretly has the bottle under his trunk on the passenger side.
Nobody want to bet on the Jeep side? Yeah, fuga.
He get away, we on his ass where he parole at. I be hating when these rappers call me rock. Only the family in my eyes, bitch, we got each other. I popped a perk and drunk a gallon, man.
So we just pulled up to a little spot. So if you guys seen earlier, obviously we were gutting the homie's truck. So the homie Juancho's gonna race the Jeep that's out there. It's an SRT Jeep. But we're waiting. It's just gonna be me, Juan, and the homie Danny's here, and then we're waiting for Albert to pull up and Junior to pull up. Albert Bastard just pulled up. Albert, I think Albert said he came gutted too, just in case somebody wanted it.
Oh, did he?
He told me he was gonna come gutted.
Right now we got a $1,500 race going on right now.
More, bro, more. 2 bands. Let's do
3
that.
bands. How much?
I don't know. We'll get a
It all
pop.
the way through. Secretly has the bottle under his trunk on the passenger side.
They're gonna believe you.
Nah, he's on the bottle, para que saben. He's on the bottle.
We're just waiting on Fernie. No, he's 4 minutes away.
Bernie, Danny, and that.
Whoa.
But which is?
This for you, man.
All right, so we got everybody that we're waiting on. Our race dad just pulled up, Fernie. All right, we're just waiting on you, Pac. Hopefully we'll get a good pot going. Yeah, Juan, they just said we're waiting on more people.
You didn't fuck up. That's
I was lost. You didn't help me, bro. I was lost. Let's check it out real quick.
I don't even want to do 100. I don't know him, Doug.
150 at least.
What run do you do?
You don't want to do a roll. I never done it, to be honest.
I'll do a dig.
What do you want? 660? Nah, I can't do 660.
No, it's the homie right here. It's the Daniel
I'm
shirt.
not going to race you to the 1,000.
I thought it was much.
Ah, he don't pop out, bro. I was telling the king.
popped out.
So do they?
I can't do 660, bro.
I can't. He's going to measure it. Fuck that. He's going to fucking measure it. Nobody's going to measure it. Oh, there is?
Oh, but what's it at? It's at the 1.8, huh?
Is that 660 or is it look at 1320?
If you want a higher run, you can run in. I won't do.
Well, I'm telling him.
I won't do more than 60.
You're full bolts on motor? 4x4? You were done to get a pop? Or a pop, whatever you guys can let me match. So you're not down for 660? Can I do 660 or what?
Nah, that's short as shit. What's 660? Hey, what? 70 miles per hour and let off, bro. There you go.
Yeah.
Mikey's.
What's the quarter?
I don't give a fuck. Whoever's flagging.
There you go. There you go.
You.
She has big dog shit. Fuck this.
Let's get it.
Whoever wins, wins. That's
You're
it.
gonna-
You flag them then.
Oh yeah, there you go. You can flag him. There you go.
Is there a
Perfect.
flashlight?
Fun. El fun.
Hey, if I was on action, I wouldn't race for $100. That's cool. I don't even know what I'm looking at.
That's what I told him. I was like, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna look at under his hood.
That was at the first. At the first one, no?
Fuck, I guess.
I got my flashlight on before. Lined up around.
Everything's in the head of him.
Who your cousin know what he looking at? Where he at, bro? Tell you to pull up.
Call him.
Gio, you're the one that knows your Mopars, fool. You're the only one that knows.
He'll tell us where he can hide it.
So we doing no side bets or what? Who's going first? Even Juan is checking his own truck or what?
They be clutching every time they serve gang. With all that rah-rah like you like that, come around you nervous. Gang. Sneaky talking like you like that, now you acting turtle. Yeah, you ain't like that.
I don't want to race this one.
Nobody does, bro. Nobody wants to race.
I
ain't
IBSS
gonna lie,
too.
I wanted to see it because I literally just ordered my shit right.
You'll be fast, bro.
Yeah.
You'll be fast. That's all I gotta say.
It's like,
Once I get mine, now we're running,
You'll
fool.
be really fast. There
I
you
seen
go.
your video where
There you go. Shake on it right now.
Nah, let me get my shit off, bro. I need my fuel pump. I mean, not fuel pump.
You're going 85 too now?
Yeah.
I'm doing that too. What about this red one on here?
Danny boy, where's Danny boy at? They're trying to race you, Danny.
Belt to ass. No? Somebody's gonna help you out to ass.
So what's up? You guys ready? Oh, Danny's calling me. I'm trying to see if I'm running. Yo.
I think Danny.
I'm full weight too. It's full on weight reduction. I accepted the race. You're full time. I'm full time.
Oh yeah, he's not. That's fat.
You're two with jerk. Well, you got a velocity stack. You're on top.
Nah, but he's not football time. I've raced this fool before.
You know, pull.
He might as well just give you the money right now, huh? Anybody gonna get some side bets going? No one's down. Got 200 on the great truck.
Or at least $20.
50.
Not 20, bro.
Round it
I spent more on gas coming here, bro.
Little side bet.
That shit wouldn't even fill in my tank, bro.
I got $3.
You wanna bet, Mikey?
I bet you $1. I got.
Look, I don't want to run it. It's set to the spot. I mean, y'all don't want to put side bets, you know?
Yeah, we're just wasting time, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I gotta wake up early with it, you know?
Nobody want to bet on the Jeep side? 200?
I got a GoPro. You don't want to slap it on?
You want it?
Hey, stop down. Yeah, I feel like
I'll
fuck
slap
it.
it on over there.
Yo,
Hey, should we get someone in the finish line?
yeah.
Who? Cause your homie be in it? At least someone from our side on the finish line, no? Or let me see if the other.
Thing is, I rode with him.
You said what?
No, really. The thing is, because I rode with him, so I don't know if you can.
Oh, bet. Alright, cool.
I'm gonna reverse it.
Come on, bye.
No one in the side bet, fool. Oh, what? Which one?
Don't want a side bet.
Nah.
Side bet's on the Jeep. We got 500 right here with Benito.
This one needs to get closer for this one. Wait.
Poncho.
Honestly, for what it was.
Oh, he should take off on a dig. That's his first time on a dig on the new setup.
but that's full on that. That's definitely.
Over with. Yeah.
Yeah, because
We're all peg leg, bro. Mine's just the same thing. Alright, the homie Juan got both of them. He got the Jeep and then he got the F-150, I think, too. I know, bro. He's fucking, because he doesn't have a transfer, so this shit gets hot. Yeah, Fuga.
You ain't catch a murder. I be threatening me on my DM, we ain't never worked. Bleed, freeless Steve, yeah, I call him Kurt. He be to himself and he'll catch a murder. I'm smoking weed, I don't fuck with dirty.
We're in Mexico right now, so I know that these fools are still posted up over here, so I don't know what they got going on.
Trust a E, cause these bitches dirty, I feel like bleach when I clutch my 30. Get out the street, bitch, you touch it 30. D ski been trapping, he just touched the 30. Rich O be capping, but you know that's Brody. Hey, Buka put the switch on for me.
Who's getting interview, fool? How you feeling?
I
Who?
want to do a roll. But he wants to rerun it for more money.
Who?
The F-150. I said I'm down. I just want my training to go down.
On the dig or on the roll?
I want to do a roll now. 40 to 120.
You got him good on the dig?
He said that his truck was the second year, so he didn't. He said it was my fault, bro. But I want to rerun right now. do a bigger pot though. Yeah. Whenever you want. Shit, the weekend or whatever, we could do a roll.
You're not doing it right
Friday
now?
night.
You're not doing it right now?
You want to gut it? You're not down for tonight? Nah, because I mean, you're good too. Yeah. Fool, everything on the truck that you could possibly have on it, fool, spare tire is on there, dude. Everything, man. Everything, man. But I'm down to rerun it when I'm fully good at it too. Good, and then we'll do a roll 42. We'll do whatever. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll lock it in for a big pot, your team versus us. We'll take out your goods.
Oh, damn.
Look, bro, where's your homie?
Alright, fool, have a good one, bro.
Hey, bro. Have a good one, bro. Stay up. Orale.
I could pull up tomorrow, like right after work. Like
We put it on right away. That's when I eat lunch. That's good.
Yeah.
Right after
But he
work
goes
at
into
3.
work like at 2 in the morning.
He goes in at work at 4. He wakes up at 4 to go to 5. Oh shit, that's just pro charge.
That one. I told Albert to race him.
No, you can hear it right away.
Just got ribs. All right, I'm out. What have we done? Try it. What is it? The what? Fuck no. Fuck Corvette. That's how we sound. A dig? Well, that's fair.
No, just give him. Space him out. That's a good run.
Our gear is not for digs. It's not a good one. He gets a good one with Juan, bro. Me and his, our gear is horrible on digs.
Damn.
We are, bro. I was on talk, but I don't think you guys will be able to hear me because of Albert's loud ass truck. So I'll talk after. But the homie Juan in this Corvette, he's a homie too. He's Albert's homie. They're gonna do a little dig, just a test. No, just a little fun run. I guess he just wants to see if his Corvette will do good off a dig. It's a C7. It's not like a CO6 or nothing. But it's just for fun, so we're gonna see what's up with that. And then from there I'm gonna go home, bro. It's late, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm on my way already. We're gonna do that really quick and fuga. Paulino and Juan just do a little test a dig. He wants to see if his Corvette will do good on a dig because he says he spins a lot. So it's gonna be for fun. No money or nothing. So we're just gonna go record that. But yeah, homies pulled up, took the dub. They did a low pop. Nobody wanted to do side bets. I bought money to do side bets for the homie Juan. Nobody wanted to do a side bet. And then they want to do low dollar. I think Juan bet it like 150 with one food and then 100 with the other food. So none of them wanted to do like a good pot, you know. So yeah, I wish we could have got a good pot active. A lot of my homies pulled up there ready, you know, to do a little big pot. But yeah, I mean it was cool. It was Juan's first time racing. We went out yesterday. I don't know how I'm gonna post all of the videos, but he lost yesterday. But I mean, they got us with that truck. They said it had a different setup than what I actually had, you know. But I mean, fuck it, you know, you win some, you lose some. But yeah, so we're just gonna test right now with the Corvette.
Bitch, tell your favorite rapper we ain't feeling that. Bitch, tell your favorite trapper we ain't hearing that. Let's get. He won't 4,000, but I got 2, so nigga, give me that. Give me that. This stick up easy, this shit pity pass. Know how I bleed this with my city at. I'm from the rack, you know it's litty there.
I'm ready to get gat, fool.
I ain't never bleed that rapper, give me that. Yeah.